if you got an OBS and it's making weird creaking noises and you've done a bunch of shit to the suspension, you've done everything you can't understand why it's making this noise, it's possibly this fender gasket, or was it shim here? It's made of actual cardboard. Like, so they sell one on OBS Solutions for like $40 for just a piece of rubber, and it comes in right here. It's literally like 5 layers of this just stacked on top of each other. So instead of paying $40 to get it done there, I went and I got this right here. It's you buy it by the linear foot down at Ace Hardware, and it's just recycled old tires, and it's made for like matting, I believe, or some type of, it's next to the roll. They sell it on a roll next to like carpet and stuff by the foot. So I just bought 1 foot is $4.99. And you just do it 8-foot strip. You can cut it down if you want. I don't really care. It's an 8-inch strip by 1 3/4 inch. And you just cut little holes in there. And then after you cut the little holes, I stacked 3 of them in. I believe the kit that they sell for this it comes with 5 pieces of rubber just like this. It's probably higher quality than this, but it comes with 3 of them or 5 of them, and then the thickness is 0.15 inches, and then this is damn near the same thickness. And then you can put a 2, mine fits 3 in here perfectly, but it should stop all the creaking and all that noises you get. I replaced all types of stuff to my suspension, almost everything. Ball joint, tie rods, wheel bearings, everything. And it still makes this terrible noise. I'm gonna hope this fixes it. Right here, it says online that it should, or help it quiet it down a little bit. So instead of paying $40, go spend $5 at Ace Hardware. So I just installed the shims up front for the hood and the fender meat, and I thought it would make it better, and it did more than that. It's fixed. Like, my truck is quiet. It sounds like a complete different truck. If you have weird popping noises in your suspension or anything like that, and you fix stuff, but honestly, if you have an OBS, go in there and replace those shims, because those cardboards has to be falling apart by now. So if you have an OBS, get that fixed. It'll a world of difference in sound. Doesn't even sound like my truck. It used to sound like I drove a boat that was about to fall apart any minute. Now it's fixed.